you that all these images are created using AI, will you believe it? Yes, it is true. AI is now so powerful that you can create stunning realistic images using various tools. The interesting part is that today we will tell you about the text-to-image tool that is totally free to use. So let's get started. First, head over to the text-to-image tool on the Playground AI website. Here, you'll see a simple interface with a text input box. This is where you'll type in the text that you want to turn into an image. For this demonstration, let's use the text, "Imagine a world where dreams come to life." Next, you'll have the option to choose from a variety of styles to apply to your text. These styles range from abstract to realistic, so feel free to explore and find the one that speaks to you. Once you've selected a style, simply click on the Generate button and watch as Playground AI works its magic. And just like that, your text has been transformed into a stunning image. But we're not done yet. Playground AI also offers a range of customization options to further enhance your image. You can adjust the color scheme, add filters, and even overlay textures to give your creation a unique look. Play around with these options until you're satisfied with the result. Don't be afraid to experiment. There are endless possibilities. Once you're happy with your masterpiece, simply click the download button to save it to your device. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've used Playground AI to transform text into a breathtaking image. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and feel inspired to create your own text-to-images with Playground AI. Thanks for watching and happy creating.
Thank you for watching. For more informative videos on artificial intelligence and latest update on technology, like and share this video and subscribe to our channel.